Hello ma'am, my name is Rishikesh Ghadekar. I belong from Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Today's date is 23 April 2024, and today I chose a non-technical topic which is a story of lion and mice, lion and mouse. Once upon a time, there lived in lion in the Amazon rainforest. While he was sleeping by resting his big head on his paw. That time, the mouse unexpectedly across by and run across the line, nose in the haste. This wake up the lion, and he leaped as a hug, paw angry on the teeny mouse to kill her. The poor mouse begged to the lion and spare her this time, and she would be him back on the some other day. Hearing this, lion was assumed and the wonder how such a tiny culture cloud to ever help him. And but he was in a good mood, and he is finally let us the mouse, and the mouse is go. A few day later, a hunter set a trap for the lion. While the big animal was shrinking for prey in the forest. Catch in the tools of the hunter net. The lion found it difficult to free himself, and roared loudly in the anger. As the mouse was passing by, she heard to a roar and found the lion struggling hard to free himself from the hunter net. The little culture quickly run toward to the lion tree. Bee bound him and grabbed the net with her sharp teeth until the net tore apart. Slowly, she made a big hole in this net, and soon the lion was able to free himself from the hunter attack. The lion was think the little mouse for her help, and the mouse remained that she has finally rapid the lion for the sharpening her life before and thereafter. The lion and the mouse become a good friend and lived happily in the forest and lived happy in the forest. The moral of the story of that is the love and kindness are never wasted. Love and kindness are never wasted. You can accomplish. Uh, accomplished and are never waste. You can accomplish by the kindness by which you cannot by the force. Moral of the story for this kind, and teach a good value to the reader, while also filling them with the enjoyment stories for the kids, and they provide all the designs to order the best engage readers and the set of their interested. The mice are really happy to friendship with lion, and lion also happy. Lion are also very happy to the connecting with the mice. Mice and the lion story are very good, and the moral of the story of the lion and mouse to spread the happiness for everyone and from everyone. Thank you, ma'am.